Hi, it's Justin. This Friday, the 25th of April at 1 p.m, I'm going to be running a leadership workshop. We're going to be talking about what it takes to become a world-class coaching leader. And I wrote the book Coaching Leaders specifically about how to pivot from being overly directive and managing people to starting to coach and inspire people to take greater responsibility and autonomy in their roles. And we'll look at the wider coaching model as a leader rather than just coaching interventions. But we're really going to focus in on a couple of world-class models for coaching on Friday. We'll look at the GROW model, and we'll look at a couple of interpretations of the GROW model that help you in situations where coaching is a little more difficult. Because when you're dealing with different types of people in a business, there are always things that happen that we don't anticipate, and coaching is very often the way to navigate those situations in the most effective way. So it's this Friday at 1 p.m. I'd love for you to join us. This is a guest pass. It's a free workshop for clients of my business and for people in my professional network, and I would love to extend an invitation to you. All you need to do is click on the link in this message, and that will take you through to registration, and then you can join us on Friday. I'll add you to the meeting invitation and look forward to seeing you Friday lunchtime at 1 p.m.